everyone. Ko of How Many Dragons. Today we're going to graft a lemon zest scion to a rootstock. So first you want to clean your cutters with alcohol. Let those dry up, and then you want to wrap your scions in buddy tape. So this way it prevents it from drying out too fast. So I like to, do you see the little buds at the top there? That's why these are called budding scions. You want to wrap them just lightly. You don't have to do too tight. This just keeps the moisture inside the scion, so that way they don't dry up and die on you. And then this is a wax type of budding tape, so it'll eventually just rot off the plant itself. And then the other kind of tape you need is, it's not actually tape, it's not that one, that's my, you'll need this kind of tape. This is your grafting tape. This is the plastic. This doesn't dissolve, so when it's ready you'll have to take that off later. So I'm going to match this up to the size, which is right here. And
so what's the rootstock?
the rootstock's just a seedling. It could be anything right now. I mostly had turpentine, but then this one, since it doesn't have a tag in there, it could be one of the fruits that I tried over the summer last year. So we're actually going to take the whole thing off. Normally you'd want to leave a leaf or two, but I'm just going to take it all off. Or I'm going to do a veneer graft. Yeah, we're going to do veneer graft this time. So I'm going to cut halfway down this, leave this top on. So this you have to do very careful. So let's do that. And you want to cut, expose your cambion on this one. Then, so you're going to expose the cambion. And on this side, you just want to cut a little of the tip. And then you want to make sure that's squared off. And then here, peel that off. So now when you slide that in here, your cambion's gonna be connected like that. So once you tape this, everything's gonna be connected here. And once this callus is together, then you cut this side off.
All right.
Let's make sure. All right, so. There you go.
Making a better fit.
Yep. You want to make sure the flesh is touching each other
as much as possible.
Yep. There we go. That's better. Much better. Usually I'll just do a V graft, but because this has a good amount of energy going up, that's what you want to keep it there. You want this guy here. So right now, your first wrap around is gonna be really loose. This is just to, or somewhat loose. This is just to hold your graft in place. And then, as you go around, you're gonna want to make it tighter.
How old's the
Seedling?
rootstock? Yeah.
Seedling's probably a year old. So the older your rootstock is and the stronger they'll be to graft onto. That's something that I'm finding out. But they can be a year old as long as they're pencil thick or more. And then my friend's trees, which are a lot older and in the ground, they have more of a success rate because they have more plant life to it that can hold nutrition. Mosquito.
Oh yeah. Yep.
And you just give
Mosquito
this a
season.
nice wrap, and then as it gets tighter, you just make it tighter to hold the flesh, the cambium together. And rip some of this off. And as you twist it, it's going to get skinnier and stronger.
Now, does that have to be removed at some point?
Yep. So once this scion starts to grow and starts pushing out new leaves and it's actually hardened together,
Right.
then you can cut off this plastic portion.
Okay.
But we're going to take these off.
Save some energy.
Save some energy, leave these here. And then we're also going to bag it to keep moisture on the scion.
All right.
And then, normally I would spray a bottle in there,
A little moisture.
a little moisture. But we're going to wrap it with this guy. This is just a Velcro strap that you can undo and redo when you spray it. And that's it.
All right.
So in about a
Thank
month
you.
or two, that should start pushing.
Awesome.
Hopefully it takes these, you can fertilize. And then these, we're gonna wrap them up and get them ready for the next tree.
And transport them.
Yep.
All right. Good job. Thank you.
Thank you for getting these for me, sir. Appreciate you.
You're welcome.
And thanks, what was his name?
Dillon?
Dylan. Thank you, Dylan, for the science.